I am Vincent. I am Vincent.
And I am Vincent.
And together we present the website portraitartacademy.com. Go there and you will learn more about art.
Bonjour. I am an art master. You have a beautiful face. Can I draw your face?
Yeah, you can. Your mustache. This is fake. This is fake.
What?
Yeah. I'm from India. No. I am fine. Just draw him. He is very handsome.
It would take 5 minutes.
My hobbies are drawing sketch. I draw sketches of my enemies. What do you like in Indian food?
I like curry, tikka masala. I like the naan bread.
Chica masala.
It's gonna look good.
Show me.
Oh, no, it's not done yet. I'll show you when it's done.
You know, my friend is also an artist. He is drawing it.
Yeah?
We both
Oh.
are doing same.
I would like to see that.
We are talking in Hindi.
Hindi? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I do not speak Hindi.
You know Hindi?
I don't speak Hindi. You ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay.
Oh, nice. I like that.
Nice, man. It's really nice, you know. Just a minute, I'm just taking one picture. Oh. Seriously.
Nice, man. Nice. I
Nice.
like that. Thank you so much.
What, did you draw me?
You want to see my friend sketching you?
Yeah. Ah. Okay, hold on. Picture. Wow.
We
Very
are very
good.
bad. We are very bad in that.
Okay, bye.
Have a nice day, man.
You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.